everyone, welcome back. And today I'm gonna have another talk about magnetic lashes. As you know, in my first video, I did a review the first set of magnetic lashes that I received from my friend. And I love them because they're so easy and I get a chance to have my own lashes rest a bit from all the glue and pulling. Now the lashes are practically overused. They're done because I use them every day. So I bought myself Amazon magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes. And here we go. It's from the company called Relaxaris. And in the pictures, the photos, it looked like they had a variety of lash styles. But looking at this now, I feel like they're way too big for my eyes. They're pretty. They're actually preferably for every day. I prefer 12 millimeters long. And these are definitely longer than 12 millimeters. Here we are, we're getting up close and personal. Oh my God, okay. My new side swept bangs are just, bothering me right now. I just cut them yesterday. Check out my video. So here's the glue. I hope it's not dry. I don't know if you could see it. Thin tip. And I think I'll try the most natural looking pair. The most natural looking pair looks like the first pair here. All right, so I trimmed the lash. And the important tip you all should know is that when you're trimming it, you have to make sure that you're not going to cut off the magnetic part. You want to make sure that on the ends of the lashes, you want to have a magnet, because if you cut off the section with the magnet on the corners, it's not going to stick to your lid. It's going to lift. For the magnetic glue application, make sure you have nothing on your lid, not even primer, because I tried that and it did not stay. No primer, not even eyeshadow. Shake the eyeliner and draw a thick line, I believe. Let me do that. Oh God, this is horrible. Oh, I always do this in the inner corners. I just put a blob. Okay, my line, is my mouth open? Oh God. You have to let it dry for at least 1 to 2 minutes. I think that's a long time. I can't wait that long. I might fan my face while I'm here. So I'll do the same on the other side. Oops. I didn't do this. Okay, definitely not even. Oh my God. They're not even. I'm here just to show you how well these magnetic lashes perform. So I'm going to use the tweezer thing. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. So I'm going to start from the inner corner. Oh, yeah, this sticks. Okay. Okay, inner corner. Oh yeah, it sticks. Okay. I don't like these ones. They don't open very well. They don't, see? Okay. I don't like these tweezers. These are not, okay, might as well just use my fingers. Okay, not bad, right? I think this is the most natural. You know what, I'll do another style on the other side. Okay, I'm going to try this one. This one looks a little longer and more luscious. Okay, so let's try for the inner corner. Out. Oh my God. Whoa. Do I see the difference? Do I look like Snuffleupagus? I'm really saying hello with my lashes right now. Oh my God, I see my pimple too. Can you see the difference? Okay, please ignore the horrible eyeliner. But yeah, these are more dramatic. This one I would wear every day. Yeah, only time will tell if this magnetic lash set is better than the gift I got. but we'll see. I'm going to have to play around with all these lashes. Okay, let's try another one. Let's have some fun here. You gently pull it out. And also another tip is if after several uses you feel that it's not good anymore, just like regular lashes, you have to clean off the magnets. So I suggest cleaning them after every use to prevent buildup of the magnetic eyeliner residue. Let's try this lash here. Let's see if it still stick. I don't feel like reapplying my liner. Oh yeah, it does. Ooh. Wow. Okay. There we go. How does that look? Can you see the difference? What do you think? I might use this for a day. Nah, it's still too much. No, it's still too much. I don't know. Maybe if I wanted to feel full glam. Okay. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, I'm going to try, let's try this one over here. Curious. Ooh, this is more voluminous. Oh my God, the bangs are bothering me. How does it look? It's maybe a little bit too much for me. I don't know, but I mean, it's not bad. Not bad. All right, so that's it for my try on of the magnetic lashes from Amazon once again by, I can't pronounce it, Arlaxaris. And so far, I'm liking it. I will test it out throughout the week to see how well they perform. And so if you really enjoyed this video and want to see more, please let me know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.